Hello, Jerome here, and today we're telling the story of the tram and the brat engine. But first, let me introduce our characters. Toby is the tram engine. He was in the yards. Emily likes to work in the yards too. They love shunting trucks. But one thing they had in common was the hate of Gerald, the big brat engine. My say, y'all are so slow. How about you go fast like me? Fast isn't good. It's only a matter of time before you have an accident. Oh, really? And how would you know that? You haven't gone fast one day in your life, oh geezer. Really? Then how about a race? Beat me to the next station. Oh, wow. I am really scared. Know what, since I'm generous, I'm gonna give myself a head start. I think I should have a nap before I wait for the old tram engine to come here. And Gerald went to take a nap. Meanwhile, Toby was going much ahead in the race, going slow and carefully. He went through tunnels and went through fields. And he went through bridges and went over the tar line. Toby got ahead, but Gerald tried to catch up and crashed himself next to the station. Toby had won the race. Thank you for watching this story. Please like and subscribe and... Oh, shut up, Jerome. You know that we were watching you, right? Oh, fuck off, Emily. Always drain the fun out of shit.